want you to fix this problem of your personal hotspot, it actually cannot be turned on, okay, and it's grayed out. For example, when you tap mobile service right now and you look at the personal hotspot option, you can see it's currently off, and actually you cannot even try to tap it to turn it on. The same thing comes when you come back this way to personal hotspot right here. When you try to tap it, it cannot turn on and it's grayed out. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Okay, now, okay, go back to your settings now. Now do the following: tap mobile service. Now do the following, please just make sure you first turn the mobile data on. You notice that when you turn mobile data on right here, okay, you toggle it on, your personal hotspot turns from being grayed out, and actually you can easily try to tap it and customize it. It actually turns from being off to being on. Check this out. So you turn mobile data off, it actually personal hotspot becomes grayed out and becomes off. Okay, when you turn it on, it actually personal hotspot is now on. When you head back and you look at personal hotspot right here, it actually now, you can actually customize it, according, allow others to join and all that, which was not the case prior to that, because it was actually, you could not even be able to turn it on or off. So the trick is, one, the first thing you do, first turn this mobile data on, okay, to solve that issue of grayed out, and you cannot even manipulate it. Okay, now if actually that doesn't work for you, try the following. Now go to your settings, general. Okay, you can make sure that you're running at least the most up-to-date software, the iOS, okay. Then head back, scroll down, and make sure try to restart your device. Restarting your device may actually solve the problem, but usually most of the time when you turn mobile service right there and then you turn on mobile data, should be able to solve the problem, and you being able to actually manipulate, customize your hotspot accordingly and turning it on and sharing your internet connection with others. So that's it. Just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.